Sociopaths can drain us of everything we've got. By the time we realize what we're dealing with, our lives may be total dumpster fires. I'm Donna Andersen, author of lovefraud.com, and today I'm going to explain 15 outrageous crises that sociopaths create in our lives, and how to take the first steps towards putting out the fires. Okay, let's get started. Sociopaths have the ability to create unbelievable chaos. By the time we understand that we're dealing with a human predator, we look around and realize that many areas of our lives are totally wrecked. So here are 15 outrageous, yet typical, crises that are caused by sociopaths. Number 1, our money is gone. Sometimes, but not always, the sociopath's sole objective in targeting us is to take our money. Here's number 2. We are heavily in debt and our credit is shot. The sociopath kept pushing, and we kept giving in, desperately hoping that whatever he or she was promising was going to work out. Here's number 3. Our housing situation is perilous. We are homeless, in danger of becoming homeless, or stuck living with the sociopath. Here's number 4. We don't have reliable transportation. The sociopath has taken our vehicle, wrecked our vehicle, or we can no longer afford to own a vehicle and put gas in it. Here's number 5. We're not working. Either the sociopath promised to support us, or we're working for the sociopath, or we are so stressed and upset that we can't hold down a job. Here's number 6. We've been isolated from family and friends. This is a typical sociopathic strategy for bringing us totally under their control. Here's number 7. The sociopath has been spreading rumors about us, so our reputation is trashed. This is known as the smear campaign. Here's number 8. We are anxious, depressed, or traumatized. Because of the nonstop fear and emotional turmoil, we may even be suffering from complex PTSD. Here's number 9. We are physically ill from the stress. We've come down with the common cold, fibromyalgia, or some other autoimmune disease, or even cancer. Here's number 10. We've contracted a sexually transmitted disease from the sociopath. He or she denies sleeping with other women or men, but we know where it came from. Here's number 11. If we have children with the sociopath, they are also traumatized, or the sociopath is threatening a court battle, or has already succeeded in taking the kids away from us. Here's number 12. The sociopath has gotten us arrested for something that we didn't do, while he or she actually did commit crimes and got away with them. Here's number 13. If we're in court for a divorce or some other case, the sociopath is lying and pulling out all the stops in order to win the court battle, and also to crush us with astronomical legal bills. Here's number 14. We've lost our faith in God or our higher power. We were good, caring, honest, and conscientious people. Why did this happen to us? Here's number 15. We've lost faith in ourselves. We used to be cheerful, confident, and take charge individuals. Now we look in the mirror and don't even recognize ourselves. Any one of these crises would be bad, but when you're involved with a sociopath, you may be facing many of them all at the same time. So, what do you do? How do you begin to recover? Well, I believe you start pulling your life together with 3 critical steps. Here's number 1. Recognize what you are dealing with. The person is a sociopath, so educate yourself about what that means. They are exploiters. They are human predators. You've been confused by the lying, demands, and attacks, but that's what sociopaths do. He or she is disordered and will not change. Here's number 2. Disengage emotionally. The sociopath played on your love, concern, and sympathy in order to control you emotionally. You, as a normal human being with the ability to love, tried to be understanding. But no matter what he or she told you, it's not your fault. Nothing you could have done would have made the sociopath treat you any better. And here's number 3. Begin to process your pain. The sociopath has been hurting you throughout your entire involvement, although you may have prevented yourself from feeling it. Now you know the truth, that you were targeted and this was always about exploiting you. All that pain is now bursting into your awareness. Believe it or not, this is a good thing. It's through acknowledging the pain that you actually begin to move forward. I talked about this in depth recently in an episode called Deep Healing for Emotional Recovery. In it, I explained how disturbances get stuck in our energetic fields and cause all kinds of problems. Clearing the disturbances leads to emotional and physical recovery. This is important to do even though you have so many other things to deal with. So, how do you move forward? I've spoken before about the parallel paths to recovery. A lot of people believe that once they get the practical aspects of their lives straightened out, then they'll get around to therapy or working on their emotions. Well, the truth is that you can do both the practical recovery and the emotional recovery at the same time. These are the parallel paths to recovery. You work on getting your life issues resolved, and you also work on feeling better. The 2 paths are complementary. Processing the emotional pain allows you to feel better so you can make better life decisions. And solving the life problems creates space for your emotional recovery. No matter how daunting the practical matters you face, like leaving the sociopath, finding a place to live, or getting a job, the initial steps to your recovery are internal. You need to see clearly what the sociopath is all about. Internalize the fact that you deserve better and process your emotional pain. From this mindset, you can begin to rebuild your life. If you need assistance in your recovery, you'll find it at Love Fraud. We have thousands of articles, including many people telling their personal stories. You are certainly not alone in what you have experienced. We have webinars by therapists and other experts to help you escape and recover. And I'm always happy to work with you one-on-one. I can give you practical advice and help to ease the stress that you feel with deep emotional release and Reiki. Just go to lovefraud.com/talk to Donna, or click the links in the window below this video. Even after the sociopath, full recovery is possible. Love Fraud is here to help you.